Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new weekly trading ideas video. What you see before you is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. And the first trading idea that I like to talk about is on US dollar Japanese yen. You are looking at 30-minute time frame, and I want to talk about this support, which is at 143.88. If I draw the volume profile over this steep uptrend area, then you can see that massive volumes were traded here. So to me, it looks like when the buyers were pushing the price upwards, they were adding massively to the long positions in here. Now, it doesn't really matter if I use the volume profile like this or if I stretch it over the whole trend area like this, because always it shows this heavy volume zone, right, which was formed in here. So it doesn't really matter. What is important that there were heavy volumes accumulated within the uptrend, and the heavy volumes were in here, and the beginning of that heavy volume zone is at 143.88. Now, chances are that when there is the pullback to this level, the buyers from here will become active again. They'll want to defend this heavy volume zone and push the price upwards from there again. All right? Because this is clearly important zone for those buyers. We can see that on the volume profile. By the way, there was also another heavy volume zone. This one. Again, this was within the uptrend, but this zone got already tested. This was the pullback to that heavy volume zone, and this was the reaction. So this zone is already spent, volumes already tested, but those volumes formed in here, those haven't been tested yet. So we just need to wait for the pullback and take it from there. Now, apart from this volume profile setup, there's also one more thing that I really like about this support. And the thing is that the price bounced off this level in the past very strongly, very sharply in here. This is telling us that in the past it was a strong resistance. But then the price went past that resistance, which means that the resistance turned into a support. This is a price action setup, and as you can see, it points us to the same level as the volume profile setup in here. Alright, so it's a combo of two trading setups, and that's what makes this level even more appealing. Alright, so that's the US dollar Japanese yen. Now with this one, you want to use a wider stop loss. At least that's the way I see it, because there was this very sharp rejection, and I personally prefer to place the stop loss below this place, which would require a take profit also at least somewhere in here to maintain a risk reward ratio 1. All right, so that's about the US dollar Japanese yen, and let me now switch over to the next trading idea, and the next one will be on the euro British pound. So this is the euro British pound. On Friday, there was a pretty sharp sell-off, and as you can see before this sell-off, heavy volumes were accumulated. This is telling us that sellers were building up their short positions in here, and afterwards they pushed the price aggressively downwards. So when there is a pullback to this zone, again in the future, the zone is at 0.8661, then there should be a reaction from the sellers from here, right? The sellers should become active again, defend this zone, which is clearly important for them, and that's why the price should react and go downwards from there again. So that's for that resistance. By the way, there was that trend setup, the same setup I showed you on the US dollar Japanese yen. There was this downtrend, and within the trend there was significant volume zone in here. The price made it back to that heavy volume zone with this little pullback, and boom, nice reaction to this volume zone. But this volume zone is tested. I just wanted to show you how the price reacted to this volume profile setup. All right. But anyways, this level hasn't been tested yet. So we need to wait for that pullback. And when the price reaches this zone, if it reaches this zone, we can take it from there. All right. So that's for the Euro British Pound. Now there's one more trading idea that I like to talk about, and it's on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So in here, we have a beautiful case of the trend setup. There was a very steep and strong selling activity, strong downtrend, and within the downtrend, significant volume zone in here. As you can see, this zone really stands out. This is the place where the heaviest volumes within the downtrend were traded. And as you can see, I have a resistance level printed in here at 0.8077. So what this is telling us is that sellers were pushing the price downwards and they were adding to their short positions in here. So this is a significant zone for the sellers, and when there's a pullback to this level, to this heavy volume zone, I should say, there should be a reaction as those sellers from here should become active again. All right, that's the same setup as I showed you on the US dollar and Japanese yen. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click this button, then it will lead you to this page where you can browse my education and indicators. If you are interested in learning how to trade with volume profile, then I recommend checking out the Elite Pack, which includes volume profile video course, my personal trading levels, those are day trading levels as well as swing trading levels, which you'll be getting every day, and my custom-made volume profile indicators for various trading platforms like NinjaTrader, MetaTrader, or TradingView. There are also a couple of bonuses and special tech support for Elite Pack members. There's a video which you can watch. It will show you everything that you are going to get more in detail. So check it out. And if you guys happen to be interested in order flow trading, then I recommend checking out the order flow pack in here. Again, there's a video. It will show you everything that's included. In short, the order flow pack includes my custom-made order flow software, order flow trading video course, and my volume profile indicator pack. Now, before I wrap this video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made indicators for TradingView platform. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll publish on YouTube. And next week, in the next weekly trading ideas video, I'll randomly pick one person to win this pack of TradingView indicators. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading.